Hello and welcome to the Excel tutorial. Did you know that you can export and display continually updating live quote data or historical data from your Infront Professional terminal to Microsoft Excel using RTD? During this tutorial, we will demonstrate exactly how. Should you have any suggestions or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us directly on support@infrontfinance.com. So let's get started within the terminal. Both RTD, which stands for real-time data, and DDE, which stands for Dynamic Data Exchange, provide access to the same information. RTD, however, is a newer protocol that offers several advantages over DDE, including more flexibility along with better performance and reliability. For this reason, we are going to focus on a walkthrough of RTD. It is worth noting the system requirements for using RTD. Using RTD requires Excel 2002 or later. For older versions of Excel, use DDE links instead. Other things worth noting regarding RTD are: the RTD link is only available for symbol quote data, history and order book data, but not for trades, news, or other information. Please note that the terminal must be running in order for RTD links to return any values. Make sure the application has started and you are completely logged in before opening any spreadsheets containing RTD links. Also, if you can view the column in a market window or custom list and there is data available, then you should be able to feed this data into and view this data in Excel. To copy RTD links from the terminal and paste them into Excel, you need to first open a market window. Here you can see we are using the Frankfurt, etc. equities. Then select the cells that you want to be copied to Excel by holding down left click of the mouse and dragging across the relevant data. Once you have made your selection, there are three ways in which you can export this data to Excel using RTD links. You can drag and drop the selection by holding the Alt button and drag the selection over to Excel. You can see that an Excel icon has appeared at the top of the market window. Clicking on this will automatically open an Excel sheet with the selected data. Another way to use this method is to right-click the selection and choose Edit, Open as Excel Sheet. As you can see, keyboard shortcuts are shown to the right of the options available, so when you make your selection, you can also press Ctrl-Shift-E. The third way in which to copy RTD links is by right-clicking the selection. Choose Edit, Copy RTD. The keyboard shortcut for this is Ctrl-R. Open Excel and paste by pressing the Paste button or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V. You can now see that the data is updating in real time, and by default, all the quotes are updated every 2 seconds. The difference between the two methods lies in the resulting formulas in Excel. By clicking on one of the cells from the Open as Excel Sheets method, you can see the RTD function used to get the data from the terminal. This method uses cell referencing. Clicking on a cell from the Copy RTD link method, you can see that instead of referencing cells, this is a hard-coded reference to a particular symbol on a specific market. As mentioned previously, you can copy all the available columns found in the terminal and export to Excel. Let's illustrate this by adding some more columns to our market window. To do this, click on the Content menu and choose Select Columns. All the column headings not currently visible are on the left, and to the right are all those currently in view. To choose an additional column, please search for Average Daily Volume Last Month, ADV, and add it by double-clicking on it. When these are added to the list, we can follow the same procedure to copy RTD links into Excel. First, select the columns you want to export by marking them with your cursor or by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard. This will select everything within the window. Then, use either the Open as Excel sheet or the Copy RTD links method to copy to Excel. In this case, the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-R to copy the RTD links has been used, and then Ctrl-V to paste into Excel. Alternatively, using the Open as Excel sheet method, it is easy to add instruments as well as column headings by simply typing in the column name or the instrument symbol and exchange code. For example, typing in ADV and copying the formulas from the column to the left will populate the ADV column straight away. Adding another instrument, for example, XET BMW, will automatically populate all of the fields. Should you have any questions or need additional help, please contact support@infrontfinance.com.